Description: a rich, ultra-moisturizing hair mask that reduces breakage plus prevents future damage. Benefits: this reparative mask reduces breakage, prevents damage, and strengthens strands. Suggested use: please see package for directions. Top reviews from the United States. OMG. OMG. What just happened? I've tried it all, but nothing comes even close to what this does to your hair. My hair is dry and brittle. I just put this mask on, there's no frizz and my hair is so soft. I can hardly believe how amazing this mask is. So worth the price. The Holy Grail. Okay, I have become obsessed with this brand. I have struggled with my hair falling out and breaking easily due to heat damage. The stuff was a lifesaver.